My name is Nicole Potroff. I am an attorney at Koprince Law. We're a firm that specializes in small business, federal government contracting. Today I want to talk a little about data rights protection. Technological advances make all of our lives easier, and they've streamlined business for numerous industries across the country. The federal government is no exception to this. The federal government is always looking for new technological and scientific data to help in its ventures as well. The FAR contains certain clauses that are included in most federal government contracts, which grant the government certain licenses and certain use rights to any data that is either supplied to the federal government or supplied to others through a federal government contract. But what most people don't realize, and where most of the problems arise, is in the fact that the default amount of rights that are granted to the United States government are unlimited rights. If the government commissions the development of certain data, or if the data was first developed under performance of a government contract, the government gets unlimited rights to the data. There's not a lot of ways around that. But when you develop the data on your own, there are certain ways you can protect it from this default unlimited rights classification. The FAR contains these procedures. They are marking the data and notifying the agency that the data qualifies as limited rights data. If your data qualifies, then the government only retains limited rights in your data. These rights can be things such as preventing them from distributing copies to the public, preventing them from publicly displaying it, all of which the government would acquire in an unlimited rights acquisition. If you're not sure, the best thing to do is to mark it and notify the government anyway. The worst case is they tell you that your data doesn't qualify, and then you can decide whether it's worth it or not. But when in doubt, mark it anyway. The FAR does contain a notice, a limited rights notice, that you can use as an example. But again, the content is less important, and the fact that the data is clearly marked is more important. There's a blog about this and about a recent case known as CSoft on our Small GovCon blog. And for further questions or inquiries, you can contact us here at Koprince Law by phone, by email, or check out our website. Thanks.